When it comes to captioning photographs, it really depends on who your audience is. If you're captioning images for a National Geographic project, clearly those are different than captions for your personal Instagram account. And so for something like a personal Instagram account, I'm trying to tell the story, giving facts and anecdotes that aren't present in the image that then contributes to the story of the image. And then when it comes to National Geographic, their captions are very, very precise. You need to include who's in the image, where they are, what they're doing, why they're there, the date, of course, and then just like a general summary of why, like what is going on in this moment. And so for one photograph, that's a lot of information, but it's all very useful because who knows, 50 years from now, if someone looks at a National Geographic photo in their archive, they need to understand all of that because you can't just call the photographer and be like, hey, what was this image about? That's kind of the whole idea, is National Geographic captions are for archival purposes, not for telling the story.